adding up to 10 sequence numbers. Let's start. We add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 together, and the answer is 55. Now let's repeat. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 9, 45. 45 plus 10, 55.